So this de-ice hack that I have, I've used it for a while now, and I've got most of my family on it, most of my friends on it. I'm planning to get you guys hooked on it because it saves you tons of money and it works just as good, if not better, than rock salt. Let's do it. What's going on, everybody? How's it going? How's the year going? 2022. Welcome back for another one. And if this doesn't look familiar to you, it's because I'm not at my house. I'm at Priest Lake, baby. Come up at my cabin at Priest Lake, and it's perfect up here for a de-ice video because back at home, it's a little bit warmer and our driveway's clear. Hasn't been freezing temperatures, so I don't have any ice there. So up here, we've got a good layer of ice on our driveway. Let's get to it.
You have some nice moves. Thank you.
Okay, so check it out. Here's the plan. I've got 3 different types of de-ice. 2 are rock salt that I've used a lot as a groundskeeper. And 1 is something you can find at most grocery stores, Costco, Home Depot, because people use them in their...
Drum roll, please.
Soft water tanks, that's right. Soft water crystals. I'm gonna paint a grid right here, a 3-section grid. Each section will have a different type of de-ice. I'm gonna put it down, and then I'm gonna time lapse it and see which one melts faster, and then at the end, I will tell you guys the price of each bag. Let's get to it. Sweet, got it thrown out. And I wanted to show you guys the different sizes. Soft water is bigger, purple heat a little bit smaller, and then the snow plow is even smaller than that. So now we sit and wait, and we will see how far the de-ice gets down penetrating the ice. Disclaimer, this ice is very thick. It's not your normal 1/8 of an inch skim off the driveway. This ice is like a couple inches thick, so it takes a long time for it to eat it through. All right, let's get it. Stand right here. Boom. Now you can eat as much snow as you want.
I can't. Hi.
Hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, Tube.
Tube. Hi, Tube. It is getting dark, as you can tell by the time lapse, but I am going to show you guys what it looks like tomorrow morning. You can already tell that all 3 are starting to go through the ice pretty good. I really think that the soft water crystals are eating through that snow a lot faster than both the other bags, the purple heat and the snow plow. I will admit that it is nice to see, so it's nice to see the crystals, because when you put the soft water crystals down, you can't see where they are, so you don't know that they're there, kind of thing. You know, if you put them down on your driveway or your walkway and your wife comes home, she's gonna think that you didn't de-ice or something. But for the price, you guys, this is like, Venmo me if you came to the realization that I'm saving you, what, 500%? Is that 500%? 500? Oh, it's not. I don't know math. Go get yours. Home Depot, Costco, any store really. They're just soft water crystals. That's it. Don't get the pellets, get the crystals, and save yourself a lot of dough. Then you could save up for a better mow. The soft water crystals are good for concrete, asphalt, driveways, walkways, whereas the rock salt will eat away at your concrete, sidewalks, and driveways. Okay, I told you I was going to tell you the price at the end. This is the end. Snowplow, 50-pound bag, $25. Purple Heat, a little bit better of a product, slightly better. I use this a lot as a groundskeeper. It was awesome because you could see it really well on the walkways, pathways, so people saw it. They knew it was there. They knew they had Deice there. So it made them feel a little bit safer. 50-pound bag, $29.99 at Lowe's. Had it shipped to me, $30. Last but not least, the diamond crystals, soft water crystals that you can use in your soft water tank. Home Depot, 40-pound bag, $5.37. Home Depot sells it 40-pound bags. If you buy 6 or more, they give you the bulk price, right? And it's like 50 cents off per bag. So it ends up being $5.37. Super good deal, right? 40 pounds. So it's 10 pounds lighter than those for eighth of the price. A sixth of the price and a fifth of the price of the other bags. So I think that it works just as well. I use it on my walkways, my driveway. That's the only thing I use. I just bought those 2 bags because I wanted to show you guys. Save some money and use this product. You know what's in it. It's made of sodium chloride. Some have potassium chloride too, but sodium chloride is the main ingredient in this, whereas rock salt that normal people, whereas the other ones, the rock salt is a halite. It's a type of rock salt. It will damage concrete, whereas the soft water crystals will not. I'm telling you guys, this is way cheaper than rock salt and works just as good. See you guys in the next one. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you guys are enjoying 2022. I appreciate those who are watching it. Please hit subscribe, comment, like. I'll see you guys next time. It's kind of raining, huh? Kind of nasty out. I'm ready for spring. Let's start mowing, right? Are you ready for spring? I'm ready for spring. We can mow? Yeah. Say, pump it up.